Oh, it's hot.
Nobody likes cold balls.
Nobody likes it. You heard it here first, guys. It's gonna be put our balls in your mouth right here on Mooch Life.
Do that.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Put our balls in your mouth right here on Mooch Life. All right, take 2. Come on, baby.
No.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Put our balls in your mouth right here
on Mooch Life.
That's it.
I hate every single one of you.
What's up, Mooch Lifers? We are here in the kitchen. Another vlog coming at you. Food vlog. Starting off at the stove. Me and Mrs. Mooch, Tuddy, got that awesome smoker recipe we want to share with you guys. It starts off on the stove. It ends on the smoker. These are the Mooch Life sausage balls. They're awesome. They taste awesome baked, but we're going to put them in the smoker just for that little extra zest. So let's get started. Show you how we make this delicious recipe. It's a must try right here on Mooch Life. 3 cups of water in a saucepan and a stick of butter. We're going to let that melt completely. And then we're putting 2 boxes of store-bought stuffing. They don't even have to match. Stovetop and Walmart. Boom, boom, boom. And then that is phase 1, so let's get that done. Go ahead and preheat the oven to 400 degrees. We got some aluminum foil on a pan here and some bacon, so we're gonna go ahead and bake this bacon right on there. And I don't care who you are, guys, but who doesn't love the sight of some fresh bacon? Oh, yeah. So we're gonna crisp that up in the oven. It's gonna be crumblies for part of this sausage ball bonanza. See you soon, friends. We're boiling. We're dumping our stuffing. Stir it around with a fork. Easy peasy. Nothing to it, guys. So simple so far. Anybody can do this, and I promise you this is going to be so delicious at the end. Off the heat. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then we'll fluff it around, then the stuffing's done. While that bacon's going, we got our mixing bowl out. We got some pork sausage from Myers and Bob Evans. Nothing's matching today, but it doesn't matter. So we're gonna go ahead and get that in the bowl with some sharp cheddar cheese. And we're gonna mix it all around with the bacon crumbs and the stuffing. Here's our cheese. Oh, nice and crispy. It's looking good. Listen to that sizzle. So we're going to let that cool off. And then we'll crumble it and we'll get everything mixed together. It's time to crumble some bacon, guys. We're just going to grab each piece here and get it as little as we can, basically. This isn't a clean job by any means. It'll be a dirty job. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Stuffing time. All right, stuffing, cheese, bacon, sausage. Let's get it mixed in. This is going to take some time and effort here. It's a pretty thick cocktail, but believe me, it'll be way worth it in the end. What do you guys think? Should Tuddy get a KitchenAid mixer for Christmas? I think we might be in luck.
No, don't do it like that. Go like this.
Now let's form these up into little spicy meatballs. And we'll get them prepped and delivered to camp so we can throw them on the smoker. Check that out. We're just going to fill this container up with as many as we can. Try to make them all the same size. so they cook evenly. Okay, let me finish up these balls. We'll see you at the end. Since it's Tuddy's recipe here, we're gonna put our balls in your mouth. Beautiful recipe here for camp. We're going in the smoker with the hickory chips. And we're gonna go top rack there. So yeah, I gotta find that rack. It's up higher. Up higher. Up higher. Higher. There.
Okay.
And then, yep. And it just slides on in there just like that. Check out our other video where we got the deer roast and the pork roast going. You want to check that out. We'll put it up here in the corner. And that's Tuddy's awesome ball recipe because she loves balls. So we check our balls here. $130, not quite. We need 165. Appetizer time. Lydia's balls are all done. We're gonna go in the house and get them going for the guys. Everyone's back from hunting. These things were smoking for like an hour, hour and a half. Look at these balls right here, guys. Come in close and check them out. Oh, look at that. So let's hurry up and throw them in here. All right, so we're gonna throw all these in a pan real quick. These are sticking. I'll just pick them by hand. There we go. They're hot. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. They stuck a little bit. Woo! We'll just hurry up and get them all off as fast as we can because it is like 30 degrees out here. Oh, it's hot.
Nobody likes cold balls.
Nobody likes yeah. You heard it here first, guys. Nobody likes cold balls. These things are all tender and juicy. I can feel the grease on my fingers. These things are gonna be amazing. Everyone's gonna love them. We'll finish up the video inside. I don't even have to tin foil them because they're just gonna eat them right away. So we'll just set this here.
Stuffing, cheese, and bacon.
Smoked
They're
balls, smoked cream cheese. Let's get into it. These are like, they're like Thanksgiving balls. These balls are awesome. They're melting your mouth. The balls are good. There you go. Gene likes the balls. The balls are a hit. Thanks for watching this video on Mooch Life. The recipe will be in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'm Mooch. Tuddy's somewhere. Peace out. Hey, Kiesel. Hi, buddy. Hi, how are you? Me and Kiesel are running the whole camp show today. This is my little buddy here, Kiesel. He's the same age as my dog, Henry. You've seen Henry on our channel before. They're born actually a day apart, so they're both almost 12 years old. Yep, they'll be 12 here. Christmas. He was born on Christmas, and my dog was born the day after.
Bring me back to